Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm at home. I'm at home. I'm at home. I'm at work. I'm at work. I'm at work. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm a student. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. One moment, please. One moment, please. One moment, please. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name is... My name is... My name is... Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Spain. I live in Spain. I live in Spain. I was born in New York. I was born in New York. I was born in New York. I grew up in America. I grew up in America. I grew up in America. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Do you have money? Do you have money? Do you have money? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I'm 30. I'm 30. I'm 30. What's your address? What's your address? What's your address? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number?